Another day in YouTube. Let's see my channel. Okay, guys, what do I do? If you're there, please show me how to download PVZ Fusion. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna record a video of a tutorial for PVZ Fusion. So, yeah, guys. First, go to Google. That's the first step. Next, search PVZ Fusion. The heck? My Google's glitch? Who's this guy in my Google? Look at my Google icon. Next, please tap this. It says pvzfusionfree.com. Tap it and press download now. Download now. And press download now again. And it's gonna download the file. So if it downloads the file and the file is done, where's my file? Okay, so I quitted that file because there was an error like thingy. So pretend this is PVZ Fusion, this animation versus player thing. You tap that file. If it says package installer, tap package installer. If it says download, it's download, and just wait for it to download. Now you will have PVZ Fusion. Yeah, you will have PVZ Fusion. Thanks to my friend Jared for requesting this. My little friend Jared. So yeah, guys, that's it for the video today. Goodbye, guys.